Today we're diving into some super cool and natural ways to keep those wrinkles at bay. Because let's be real, those little lines are like uninvited guests at a party. Nobody wants them there. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. We're about to unlock the secrets to youthful, glowing skin. And the best part? It's all natural. So, grab your green smoothies, get comfy, and let's get ready to banish those wrinkles for good. Stay tuned, because these tips might just change the way you age forever. Ready to glow like never before? Let's do this. Okay, wrinkle warriors. Did you know that bananas are actually berries? Yep, you heard that right. These yellow delights are classified as berries in the botanical world. I know, right? Mind blown. But wait, there's more to this fruity tale. But here's another fun fact. Those peels you usually toss in the trash? They're like secret weapons against wrinkles. Yes, those peels you thought were just waste are actually packed with goodness. Yep, you heard that right. The inside of a banana peel is loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that can help smooth out fine lines and give your skin a natural glow-up. Imagine all that power in something you were just going to throw away. Just grab a ripe banana. You can tell it's ready for action when it's got those brown spots, like a true warrior. Peel it, and gently rub the inside of the peel all over your face. It's like giving your skin a vitamin-packed treat. Make sure you've washed your face first, though, unless you want to be rocking the banana and makeup mud mask look. Clean skin is key to letting those nutrients soak in. Now, here's the catch. You gotta chill those peels first. This step is crucial for maximizing the benefits. Like literally, put them in the fridge for a bit. The cool temperature helps to enhance the soothing properties of the peel. Trust me, the cold helps reduce puffiness and inflammation, so your skin will be looking snatched. It's like a mini spa treatment right from your fridge. Leave that banana goodness on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. This allows your skin to absorb all the nutrients. You'll be looking like $1,000,000, or at least 1,000,000 bananas. Your skin will thank you for this fruity indulgence. Just maybe avoid looking in the mirror while you're waiting for the peel magic to happen. It might be a bit of a shocker. You might scare yourself looking like a minion who just discovered skincare. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to Youthful Glow for more skincare tips. Alright folks, let's talk about the power of cold. No, I'm not talking about my ex's heart burn. I'm talking about the magic that happens when you give your face a little ice bath. It's like a mini spa treatment you can do at home. You know how athletes take ice baths to reduce inflammation and speed up recovery? They swear by it for a reason. Well, the same principle applies to your skin. It's like giving your face a refreshing wake-up call. Cold therapy can help tighten pores, reduce puffiness, and even out skin tone. It's a simple trick with big benefits. Plus, it's super refreshing, especially on those hot summer days. Now, I'm not saying you need to dunk your entire head in a bucket of ice water. Although, if you're feeling adventurous, tag me in your videos. A simple way to incorporate ice into your skincare routine is to wrap a few ice cubes in a soft cloth and gently massage it all over your face for a few minutes. It's easy and effective. You can even get fancy and make your own ice cubes with green tea or cucumber water for an extra boost of antioxidants and hydration. It's like a supercharged skincare hack. Just be warned, the first time you do this, you might feel like you're on one of those hidden camera prank shows. It's a shock to the system, but in a good way. Okay, night owls and vampire enthusiasts, this one's for you. If you love the night and dread the morning sun, you're in for a treat. Did you know that sleeping in complete darkness can actually help reduce wrinkles? Yes, you heard that right. Darkness is your new best friend. I know it sounds too good to be true, but hear me out. There's some real science behind this. When you sleep in a pitch-black room, your body produces more melatonin, the magical hormone that works wonders. Melatonin is like the Beyoncé of hormones. It does everything, from regulating your sleep-wake cycle to boosting your overall well-being. Not only does melatonin regulate your sleep-wake cycle, ensuring you get quality rest, but it's also a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage. It fights off those pesky free radicals. Who needs sunlight anyway? Embrace your inner vampire and invest in some blackout curtains, an eye mask, or both for maximum darkness. Plus, think of all the money you'll save on electricity. No more leaving lights on. A well-rested, eco-friendly superhero. All right, my fellow coffee lovers, let's talk about a morning ritual that's about to change your life and your skin. Forget the sugar and artificial sweeteners. We're upgrading to grass-fed butter. I know what you're thinking. Butter in my coffee? That's just weird. But trust me on this one. Grass-fed butter is loaded with healthy fats, like omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for your skin. These healthy fats help keep your skin hydrated, plump, and elastic, which means fewer wrinkles and a more youthful glow. Plus, adding butter to your coffee will give it a creamy, delicious flavor that will make you wonder why you ever drank it any other way. You'll be feeling so energized and radiant, you'll be practically bouncing off the walls. You'll feel so energized and radiant, you might just start levitating. Okay, maybe not levitating, but close. So ditch the sugar and embrace the butter. Your taste buds, your skin, and your inner hipster will thank you. Okay, wrinkle warriors. Let's talk about a simple yet effective way to prevent those pesky forehead wrinkles while you sleep. The headband hack. You know how you wake up in the morning with those weird sleep lines etched into your face? Yeah, those are not cute. But a simple headband can help prevent those lines from forming in the first place. Just grab a soft, stretchy headband, you know, the kind athletes wear, and put it on your forehead before you hit the hay. The headband will gently hold your skin in place, preventing it from creasing and forming wrinkles. Plus, you'll look super cool while you sleep, like a ninja or something. Just imagine, you'll be sleeping soundly, fighting wrinkles, and channeling your inner stealth warrior all at the same time. And the best part? This hack is super affordable and easy to do. No need for expensive creams or fancy treatments, just a simple headband and your own inner ninja. So ditch the wrinkles and embrace the headband. Your forehead will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Youthful Glow. And be sure to share your wrinkle-fighting adventures with us in the comments below. Stay fabulous, and we'll see you in the next one.